The pin is part of your recip saw's blade clamp assembly. It is installed in the blade shaft and is the part that secures the blade to the saw. Over time, the end of the pin will wear, where it contacts the blade. It can also wear down on the back, where the collar rubs against it. Replacing the pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the clamp. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the collar. I'll twist the cam a small amount so I can remove the pin. Now I'll remove the collar. I'll reinstall the cam. The cam should be installed so the notched out portion is facing out away from the saw, and I'll align the notch in the back of the cam with the post on the spring. I'll rotate the cam around and make sure the hole on the sleeve is aligned with the hole in the shaft. Then I can install the new pin. Then the collar. And last, I'll secure everything with the retaining ring. And I'll use a blade to test the clamp. I'll slide the shoe back into the housing and tighten up the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the pin in your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up